Welcome to the CounselMore training video on our broadcasting station feature. The broadcasting station is a versatile communication tool within CounselMore, ideal for mass communication as well as tailored messaging. To get here, go to Account, then Settings, then on middle left click Broadcasting Station. Here's how you can utilize the broadcasting station for efficient communication with your students and parents. To create a broadcast message, follow these steps. When filling in the fields, know that the ones called To and Subject are required and all others are optional. In the field To, choose the recipients based on grad year or select all grad year students. In the field High School, indicate the high school of the students in the biography banners, useful for those working with multiple high schools. In the field Tag, utilize tags to categorize students based on interests, achievements, or specific needs. In the field Inclusion, decide whether to send the email to students, parents, or both. In the field Status, segment your audience based on student status: prospect, active, archived. In the field Subject, craft a clear subject for your email. To compose your message, craft your message in the designated text box, utilizing various formatting options. Enhance your message by attaching files such as images or documents. In my example, I am going to select all grad years, but only sending it to my students tagged as Test, since I don't want this going out to any clients. You can always click the Omit Students filter to double-check who the broadcast is going out to. Tag your test student, make sure it has an email address, and try sending a broadcast. Click the Send button to immediately deliver your message. After the broadcast is sent, go to the Sent tab and review your broadcast in the dashboard. If you need to see the contents of your broadcast, navigate to your test student's messaging tab and see it from there. Alternatively, you can schedule a broadcast message to be sent in the future. Navigate to Scheduled tab, then click the Create Broadcast button. Follow the same steps for composing your message and providing necessary information. Additionally, choose the date for your scheduled broadcast message. Save your message, and it will be sent automatically on the specified date. Remember, if you need to make changes to a scheduled broadcast message, simply click the Edit button, which can be identified as the pencil icon, under Actions